Oh my God.
Just laugh at everything.
Oh my God! He wants to wear his glasses so bad. He got a PSP. Or donkey. Mike Wazowski.
Oh shit.
Yo, they taking these guys out.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. His neck is like a sirloin steak burger. He tried it.
Okay, got it. But
Why is this nigga laughing like that? Oh no. He's better, look at this DJ.
I'm not gonna make it.
Look at this forehead.
What's got at me?
Oh, look at this.
Damn, definitely something serious.
This man's want me to roast his whole family.
I don't see.
Maybe definitely.
Look at this one.
And I'm a person.
You look like Bobby from Lizard Lick.
Oh, you savage! Don't you ever
Just laughing and funny.
Oh, you fucking savage! You fucking savage!
Oh no.
Oh God!
Oh my gosh.
Bruh!
I don't know what nose, bro.
Bruh!
Nose.
Yeah, he fine. You look so nasty. That's what I was thinking about.
Big bean nose ass. Oh, I am legend face ass.
What you got, bruh? Oh my God!
Hold on. The things are going through this guy's head. Jesus.
Oh my God.
A million thoughts.
Oh, stop! Oh!
You got the eyes fucked the thing, man.
Bruh!
Don't forgive me. She looks like the mouse from Cat Dog. He looked like the dude from Glee. He looked like Sam Smith. Boy, your boy look like a sack of buckwheat pancakes. Bring that strong jawbone ass here, boy.
Damn.
I'm sorry, I gotta do this to you. Y'all already know what he looks like.
You heard they shot me in the
Who told Young Thug to do that?
Oh gosh, here we go.
Oh, you look like
Just
Nuts
look
Bunny.
like dirty.
He's laughing.
Oh my gosh!
Why does he have a braid around his neck?
Oh my god! By his dress.
Nuts Bunny.
Bro, look at this dude. Look at his hair. Looks like a gorilla brush. Oh my goodness.
Extra, bro. He's extra. Who is vacuuming, bro? Who is vacuuming? Oh my gosh.
She got a kid blankets.
This dude is not. This
No, look at his head.
Bruh. Ain't no. Really? Oh no. Team Titans.
Oh my goodness.
they come
Boy, I'm on your ass now, Herschel.
All his information out.
Kept that
Oh my god. Oh damn. Oh, my cheeks. My cheeks.
Oh my god. She looks like
Ratchet.
this dancing.
Ratchet. She swears she's cute too.
Look at those gums.
Oh my god.
His head look like a burnt match.
I'm not even laughing. I don't know why.
When I'm watching his videos, I have to force myself to not laugh because I honestly be getting pain in my chest. I be laughing so hard, like I gotta stop laughing. Like, bruh, please just stop.
What the fuck, man? Oh god. That was stupid.
That guy wasn't laughing in the video wouldn't be half as funny. Just hearing him laugh, you want to laugh along with him. Damn, but that was pretty funny.
Yo, guys, this was really funny. But you know, I'm not that much of a humorist. Well, I am. But you know, it's like he's laughter. I want to listen to it. It just gives me pleasure. Well, it doesn't give me pleasure.
Oh my God, that dude actually has a lot of fun laughing at people, roasting people. He needs to be a comedian. I mean, I know he's not saying much, but he's showing us those pictures, and usually it's hard to laugh at pictures.
It was funny. I know it has a. It was funny, but it just wasn't that funny. It didn't make me laugh like the way people said it would.
It's okay. I feel like if I was high, it probably would be more funny, in my opinion. But what about you?
Man, that shit was funny as hell. At some point, some of them shits were funny as
A
fuck.
few, but it wasn't nothing like
Right. You know,
no, but his laugh though.
Yeah, his laugh.
That shit is funny.
I ain't gonna lie, that was funny. It was way more funnier to them though, cause they was literally dying, man. They were literally dying.
Oh my gosh, yo, that was hilarious. Oh my gosh, it was so hard to like try to keep my laughs contained, but that was so hilarious.
Oh, my cheeks are sore. Oh. Well, those roasts are hilarious.
Sorry, that was just way too much for me, man. There's no way you cannot laugh. I just failed, man. I just failed.
Dude, what is good with my man?
I'm sorry. Ooh, I almost laughed right there. So that's my try not to laugh challenge.
Yo. Well, that's the end of this video, guys. Yo, that shit was fucking hilarious, though. No funny shit.
Stay tuned. I'm just gonna flood you guys with some reaction videos today and see the reaction I get from my reaction of a reaction. I don't know how that works.